We are back at our off-grid cabin in the woods. In our last video, we sanded the floors, put the sanding sealer coat on the floors, and that really changed the look. After sanding that, it was time to put the very first layer of actual finish on the floors. In this video, we are back to finally finish the floors. We are back at the cabin this morning to see how our first coat of floor finish went on the floor. It should be dry now. We have Colty Wolty Bear with us. Wow. Gotta take off my shoes. Wow. It's like this is what it actually looks like.
Pretty smooth.
Should we just call it good and put trim on today? It looks so good. It's gonna look even better with trim. Yeah, somebody commented on our last video and said that we should do cedar on this wall for the closet. We're probably not gonna like store a bunch of clothes in there and stuff. I guess, I don't know, maybe we will put some in there, but I do actually still think that's a good idea to do cedar on that wall to help prevent bugs and things like that. So we might do that if we have enough cedar. We're gonna use the wood that we have. This is what we have. So we do have some cedar. It's a little rough, but we used all the good stuff already in the bathroom, but we'll see what we have. This turned out so good though. This is beautiful. We need trim. We need our living room furniture. We need our kitchen. We need our puppy dog. So we're trying to warm the cabin up. Yesterday we had it up to 80 degrees. The ideal temperature for the flooring to cure well is like in the 70s. We warmed the cabin up to like 80 degrees because the floor is always a little bit colder, and it seems like it cured perfectly. Today we're gonna try and get it warmed up again. We're gonna do hopefully 2 more coats depending on how much flooring stuff we have left. When we started this cabin, I had no idea it was gonna be this beautiful. We still have a long ways to go, but we're always pressured for time. Like, our weekends fill up so fast. We work during the week, so being able to come here and work on the floor, this is like, has been the best time of year for us to try and get things done. Ready?
Ready.
This is probably my favorite board in the cabin. Look at that. It's beautiful. And we filled it with epoxy, so it's smooth. The wood putty. I don't hate it, to be honest. Like Corey was saying, it kind of like accentuates the wood. But these little spots are kind of silly. But I don't hate it, actually. Just kind of adds to the rustic, like, interest of the floor. Ready? Is it too early? It's pretty early right now. Corey's more of a sleeper-inner. I'm more of a getter-upper. I have my energy in the morning. Corey has his energy in the afternoon. Ready, Freddie?
Ready.
Now that we are done sanding and cleaning up our sanding dust, it is time to do another layer of finish on the floor. Depending on how much finish we have left, this might be our last layer. Otherwise, we might stick around, wait for this to dry, and then do a 3rd coat in high traffic areas.
I'll extend this for you so you're not hunched over half the time.
The wood stove really is a vibe. I can't wait till we finish the wrap around the front edge of it. We've got a lot of little projects left. Just takes time. Now that it's all cozy in here, I don't want to leave. Another coat done. And it turns out we do have enough finish to do another layer. So we'll probably stick around, come back out once it's dry and do that final layer. I'm going to put that in there. Keep it warm. Got the chainsaw out. Poor Mousy doesn't get to live in there anymore. Ready to go cut up a tree?
That's unbelievable. It's probably sat for a year.
Sat for a year. We're gonna go cut up that tree that we jumped yesterday.
Oh yeah, we'll make it.
We're just gonna drive over the log. Oh my gosh.
Ready?
I guess.
You might want to hold on.
Okay, I'm holding on.
No big deal.
We made it. Oh no. Is there a mouse in the motor?
Maybe.
That's all we're getting.
Hasn't run in a year.
It looks like it's gonna start on fire. It looks like it's gonna start on fire.
The gas to oil mixture might be a little goofy.
Oh. So you can't really tell, but the four-wheeler trail goes through here. And we haven't used this trail because there's a tree down here and a really big tree down up there. I think you can actually see it. There's a very dead tree here too. The poor thing.
Got it?
I'm gonna take you and show you the real problem on this four-wheeler trail. This tree came down a while ago. To be honest, I don't know if the chainsaw is big enough to do anything about this one. I guess I don't know. But this tree, which is covered in beautiful mushrooms right now. Look at that. Just covered. That is actually really cool. I'll go stand by it so you can see how big it is. This is a big, big tree. You're gonna end up getting hurt?
No.
Even if we cut it into logs, we can't move the logs. Can't lift that.
Smaller pieces.
Don't hurt yourself. Oh my goodness. I don't think I can lift that. I got the legs, but not the arms. Oh yeah. How did you do that so well? That's dry. And it's still 71 degrees. Yeah, I'll get the fire going again.
Chair in there?
Put the chair up in the loft, I think. I think it'll go up in the loft. It'll go in the big loft. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I'm rarely wrong.
Yeah, I'll just stand here.
Well, I didn't know you were bringing it in right now.
That's what we were doing. No, what are you doing?
I'm gonna lift it up here.
Well,
Going up here and pull it up.
so I gotta take my shoes off then.
I think so. Ow! Oh! Leg cramp, sorry. Oh! I can't put my leg up there, it cramps. I'm gonna fall down.
Move your leg.
My
Move your leg.
I thought my leg had to
What
be
is your
there.
leg doing there?
I was gonna brace myself to lift the chair up, but I didn't know you were lifting the chair
Yeah,
up.
you're hitting the ceiling there.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll do it myself.
Don't worry, I got you.
Oh,
Don't scratch the chair.
stop. See, I told you.
You're right. You're right.
He's holding onto my foot.
Fine, I won't.
Oh, it was funny.
Heck with you.
The heck with me. We finally were able to sand the entire floor one more time with the 300 grit sandpaper, and Corey wiped up the dust as we went. Then it was time to put the last layer of finish on the floor, and it feels so good to say that we have put the last layer of finish on the floor. Time for trim. It's warm in here. The last coat is on the floor. It feels so good. I feel like this weekend didn't really transform anything at the cabin. The floors basically look the same, just shinier and prettier and more alive. But it's stuff that has to be done to make the floors usable, obviously. And now we can put in trim and start building out the kitchen and living room the way we want it to be. So that's exciting. We'll see you soon in another video. If you want to keep up with us at a faster pace, because sometimes it takes me a while to get these videos out, I do post on Instagram a lot. I keep updates on there, post random things we're doing that I don't film for YouTube. So if you want to check that out, check out my Instagram. I'll put my Instagram handle here for you if you want to check that out. Otherwise, just thanks for watching our videos and subscribing. It means a lot to us. Ready, Alfred?
Oh, I can't find my hammer.
I put your hammer in there. I promise. What do you need your hammer for?
That's the lid.
To shut the lid. Okay, bye.
Bye.